Getting hit by a drunk driver, it's not just the physical injuries. It can really devastate somebody's entire life. And I'm going to explain all the different elements of damages that an injury victim can recover when they're hit by a drunk driver. I'm Rob Hartigan. I'm the founder of Lionhart Injury Law, and I'm a personal injury lawyer in Boston and Atlanta. If you find this video helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe. Most people think that drunk driving cases are about just paying the ER bills and getting your car fixed, but it truly is more than that. I've seen cases where drunk driving injury victims, they've suffered broken bones, they've suffered spinal injuries, and traumatic brain injuries. And when you have catastrophic injuries from a drunk driving case, there's so many different types of damages that come along with that. And that includes the medical bills, the wage losses, future loss of earnings, pain and suffering, the emotional distress, any future surgeries. Insurance companies and big corporations will try to rush you, pressure you to take a low settlement offer. And we don't let that happen. You only get one chance to recover for the injuries and harm that were caused to you, and you need to make that one chance count. And at Lionhart Injury Law, we fight for every type of damage that you've suffered. And that includes your medical bills, your wage losses, your future loss of earnings, and your pain and suffering. We also take every step and fight for you to get you the justice that you deserve. If you have any questions about your case, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to discuss your case with you and see if we can work together to get you justice. See you on the next video.